This is the ultimate twister.
I'm Sarah Eddy. I'm Becky McDonald.
I'm Katie McNeil.
Okay, now, you can see that the rope is twisted really tightly into... We're gonna start this stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we're ready now.
My hands are falling off.
It's okay.
And go.
Look at that hair, it's wispy. She's probably not really going that fast, but if you hold the camera
on the thing.